Are tens of millions of taxpayer dollars flying out the windows of Pennsylvania ambulances? That is the allegation in a scathing audit of the Department of Health.
An allegation made by PA Auditor General Tim DeFore. Seth Kaplan joins us now live from the Capitol with more. Seth.
Valerie and Alicia, it turns out it is the Department of Health's job to keep track of money, millions of dollars, that helps pay for Pennsylvania's complicated patchwork of emergency medical services provision. A job the Auditor General says the department is not doing well.
This is the fifth time we have audited the fund since 2010.
And the fifth time things have not gone well. This time, the Auditor General looked at about $38 million spent over a 3-year period from mid-2021 through mid-2024. Start with the good news.
25% of this fund goes to the head injury program to help people with traumatic brain injuries live independently.
And Auditor General Tim DeFore said the Department of Health was able to show it is spending that money well.
The same cannot be said of the 75% that went to the regional councils and the statewide advisory council.
Those are the organizations that oversee the provision of emergency medical services. DeFore's office examined a sample of $5.1 million in expenses. DOH, he said, didn't have documentation like receipts to show how $3.4 million of that was spent, more than 2/3 of the total.
If a regional council says we don't have the receipt or refuses to cooperate, the Department of Health accepts that response without imposing any penalties. We have 15 years of audits as evidence to back that up.
DeFore said that doesn't necessarily mean someone is doing something bad with the money, but if you don't track it properly, you just don't know. The department says the fact the audit period ended in mid-2024 is significant. It told us in a statement it has already strengthened internal controls and improved monitoring with positive results, all since the audit period ended. DeFore told us this fifth audit will not be the last.
And with the next audit, we would hope that they would follow through on our recommendations.
18 recommendations in this 64-page report. Last week's budget compromise here included an additional $6 million for EMS recruitment and retention, which Alicia, Tim DeFore says, means all of these improvements are even more important than ever.
Seth Kaplan live at the Capitol tonight. Thank you, Seth.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27, and we're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.